Stop buying TVs just by looking at specs because in 2026 some TVs look amazing in stores but feel completely disappointing at home. So in this video I'll show you 5 QD mini LED TVs that actually feel premium in real use. But before the list, let's quickly understand what QD mini LED actually means because most people think it's just another marketing term, but there's a real difference here. QD mini LED basically combines QLED color technology with mini LED backlighting. Now the important part here is mini LED. Traditional LED TVs use larger backlights behind the screen, and because of that, dark scenes often look grayish and bright objects can create light bleeding around them. But mini LED TVs use much smaller LEDs along with multiple local dimming zones, which means the TV can control brightness for more accurately. So blacks look deeper, highlights look brighter, and HDR scenes feel much more cinematic. And that's exactly why QD mini LED TVs are becoming so popular now. So now let's check out some of the best QD mini LED TVs you can buy in 2026. If you want a TV that delivers serious value for money, then TCL Q6 is a really strong option because this TV proves that mini LED technology doesn't always have to be ultra expensive. The moment you start watching HDR content, you immediately notice the brightness and contrast. It uses a QD mini LED panel with 500 plus local dimming zones, so dark scenes look much deeper while bright highlights really stand out. And for gamers, this TV becomes even more interesting. You get 144Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, Game Master mode, which makes gameplay feel smooth and responsive. TCL also includes its AI PQ processor, which helps improve colors, contrast, and upscaling in real time. Even regular YouTube content looks surprisingly sharp and clean. You also get Dolby Atmos support, DTS Virtual X, and overall sound performance is decent for casual watching. So overall, if you want a powerful gaming-friendly mini LED TV on a lower budget, this is easily one of the best choice. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. Now if you want something modern, fast and slightly different, then Lumia Vision 9 is a surprisingly interesting TV. This brand still feels relatively new, but the specifications here are genuinely impressive. You get a QD mini LED display with up to 1900 plus mini LEDs, which allows much better lighting control. HDR content looks punchy, dark scenes stay controlled, and highlights feel bright and vibrant. It also supports Dolby Vision, and peak brightness goes up to around 900 nits, so movies and OTT content looks really immersive. Another strong point here is performance. The UI feels extremely fast and responsive, apps open quickly, navigation feels smooth, and overall usage feels modern and polished. You also get HDMI 2.1 support and ALLM and good connectivity options overall. So if you want a smooth smart TV experience, vibrant colors, and something unique in the mini LED category, Lumia Vision 9 is definitely worth checking out. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. If your priority is premium brand experience plus excellent brightness, then Samsung QN85D is a fantastic option. Samsung has been dominating the mini LED category for years, and this TV clearly shows why. The Neo QLED panel here gets extremely bright, which makes HDR content looks stunning. Explosion, sunlight reflection, city lights at night, everything feels punchy and vibrant. And one thing Samsung TVs do really well is brightness handling in brighter rooms. Even during daytime viewing, the screen still looks vivid and impactful. Colors also look rich and lively, which makes sports, animation, and YouTube content feels more engaging. Samsung's Tizen OS also feels very polished and easy to use. Apps run smoothly and the overall interface feels premium. So if you want great brightness, vibrant visuals, and a premium overall experience, Samsung QN85 is easily one of the strongest premium mini LED TVs right now. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. Now if you want a TV that feels balanced for everything, movies, gaming and smart features, then LG QNED82 is a seriously solid option. LG combines its QNED mini LED panel with the strongest AI processing, which helps improve colors, contrast and HDR performance dynamically. Dolby Vision content looks cinematic, colors feel rich but natural, and dark scenes stay nicely controlled. For gamers, this TV is especially attractive. You get 120Hz native panel, VRR support, HDMI 2.1 ELLM, which makes PS5 and Xbox gaming feels smooth and responsive. Motion handling is excellent too, so fast action scenes looks cleaner with less blur. LG's BackWatch also feels modern, and AI features like voice recognition and content recommendations make the TV experience feel smarter overall. So if you want great gaming features, a strong picture quality, and a well-balanced flagship experience, LG QNED82 is a really dependable choice. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. And finally, if your main focus is pure cinematic picture quality, then Sony Bravia 5 is probably the most impressive TV on this list because Sony TVs aren't just about specs. Their real strength is picture processing, color look natural, skin tones feel realistic, and movies have that premium cinematic depth the Sony is known for. The XR processor does an incredible job with contrast and motion handling. Dark scenes look detailed, highlights stay controlled, and blooming is reduced really well. Fast moving scenes also look smoother, which makes sports and action movies feel cleaner and more immersive. Gaming performance is strong too. You get 4K 120Hz, VRR and ALLM, and PS5 optimization support. Sony sound tuning is also surprisingly good. Dialogue sound clear, voices stay easy to hear, and Dolby Atmos support adds more immersion to movies. And honestly, Sony TVs have a different kind of feel. Instead of looking overly sharp or artificial, everything feels more natural, balanced, and cinematic. So if you want a true premium mini LED experience, Sony Bravia 5 is absolutely worth considering. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. So these were some of the best QD mini LED TVs you can buy in 2026. I bet all the best buying link is in the description below, so you can easily choose according to your budget and usage. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.